here. Somebody's got to fight it. Let him run. If you feel him running, let go of the winder. Now lift up. Slowly lift up. Go. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo. That's way overdue. Keep winding. Now lift up. Slowly lift up. Oh, got one. Got one. Just start winding. Yep, just start winding. Let him run. Good lifts for you. You good? Come on, come on, come on. Watch your fingers. He's running. Let him run, let him run. It's a good one. Oh yeah. Sure. This is a good fish. He's right on the surface. Yeah. Usually when you do that, it's a bigger fish. Like I said, if you feel him pulling, just let him run. Let's sort of lift and go around over my head. Do you want to fight it a second time, or do you want to just me to gaff it the first time? It depends.
I think first is good.
With the circle hook, it's kind of nice because the way the circle hook works, it can't come out if it's in.
Yeah.
So a lot of times, we might accidentally bump it on the head, so it sends back to the bottom, and then he's got to do it all over again. Slowly wind the rod down to the. Yep, we'll bring it up a little bit more.
I was thinking that bait on there.
Watch that one.
Oh, there it is.
Let him take it.
Yeah.
There you go, there you go, there you go. You still there? Nope. Oh well. Oh yeah, maybe. Son of a bitch. Yeah, you're on bottom. Must be. That'd be the line just going no.
There he is.
It's a smaller fish. Here you go. Still a smaller fish. Just go slow. I always say go slow because it's just double hook instead of a circle hook. Wander up just a bit. Yeah. Slowly bring it around a little bit closer. We're going to keep it because we're not too big, right?